Monogram refrigerator model ZIC363IPVLH error codes. Through passion and precision, Monogram is redefining the world of luxury appliances one detail at a time. We engineer steel to move as if it's weightless. We create features that feel anything but ordinary. We select materials that perform and add a luxurious presence. And with 2 new collections, Monogram appliances complement any style preferences. The Statement Collection features edge-to-edge handles, polished stainless steel and brass accents that unify the overall appearance. The Minimalist Collection's streamlined appearance and precisely machined metals create a contemporary yet functional aesthetic. Every Monogram bottom freezer refrigerator is also outfitted with premium features the experts use. These 36 models include upfront electronic controls with digital readout that allow precise temperature settings and are positioned for maximum ease of use. A GE water filtration system provides clean, fresh-tasting water to the freezer's ice maker, while 6 adjustable door bins offer added storage flexibility. And you can choose from freestanding or French door models, with stainless steel or custom panel exteriors. Altogether, Monogram appliances look, feel, and perform as if they were designed perfectly for you. Error codes. Code: fluorine monofluoride. Problem: check frozen food for thawing because the temperature is rising too high. Code: phosphorus monofluoride. Problem: the power to the refrigerator has been interrupted. Code: C. Problem: check the ice maker for proper operation. Code: D. Problem: the defrost system has not operated properly in the last 24 hours. Code: CC. Problem: check the temperature controls because the temperature for the refrigerator is incorrect.